same, but now, what are they?
Different.
These are different, but did they change?
No.
Did I change one of these?
Yes.
Ah, so I want to talk about what's another way I could say change. So different is this. These are the same, and these are
Different.
now, these are the same, but now I made them
Different.
So what does that mean? Do they always, when something changes, does it mean that they're same different? Or are you saying that the Earth's surface is always
Different.
changes? Because I could say, if I say Earth's surface is different, watch this. Oops. Here's a mountain. Here's a valley. Here's a hill. Oh look, these are all different. But what would have to happen if something changes? I'd have to go to one thing. How would I make this change? Can it stay pointy?
No.
What do I need to do? Just tell me. Okay, and then what would happen to change it? Will it stay tall or something crumble? Ah, so something would crumble down. Now, is it the same or did it change? Change. It's different from what it used to be. That is true. But only this is different, right? Because we're talking about how this changed. Not how these are different from each other, just this one thing. So we're talking about one thing. Everything on the earth is constantly
Changing.
So, everything on the earth, there's lots of different things on the earth, but what are we talking about those different things? That they are?
Changing.
Ah, so Earth's surface is always?
Changing.
Let's put changing. I like that. Always changing. Ooh, that's higher level. All right, my friends. Let's see if we can do this. Are you ready? Put your pencil down, push your chair in, and stand behind your chair. All right, let's do our presentation. Are we ready, my friends? All right. So let's see if we can do the whole thing. I'm not going to say much because you should see yourselves. You're just saying the whole thing. And do you have to say it exactly how I did, or could you word it a little differently? Yeah, we're just reading it. I'm going to point, and we're going to read it. Are you ready? Go.
All through time on the planet Earth, land changes slowly and rapidly. The wind, rain, and ice causes slow changes. Tornadoes, volcanoes, and earthquakes cause rapidly fast and quick.
Why am I having you say a different word?
Because if you're in college and if you use the same words and if you use the same exact thing and if you look it up and you put it on like Book Creator, if you're making it, then that's illegal.
So now, that's where, do good writers want to use the same important words, or do they want to change them?
Change them.
Ah, so let's go back and say this one again. Ready? Go. Tornadoes,
Volcanoes,
earthquakes,
make fast changes.
the Earth's surface is always
changing.
Oh my gosh. Could I say, you know what? I'm going to leave it right there. Never mind. Okay. See if you can say it to the people at your table. Go.
All through time on the planet Earth, land changes slowly and rapidly. Wind, rain, and ice make
slow changes.
tornadoes, volcanoes, and earthquakes make fast changes.
The
Earth's surface is always changing.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Sit down, put a pencil in your hand, and go like this. Do you know how you have your color pencils? Grab your color pencils, and everyone go like this. Say, punctuation time.
Punctuation time.
All right, let's go over here. Ready? How did we start this?
All
Stop. Give me my first word.
All.
I'm going to put all there with 3 lines under it. Why? Because I begin a sentence with a what?
Capital.
Capital. Do it. Ooh, look how how you have the word all down with the 3 lines. I love it. Okay, let's go back. Touch your paper with me, just like a college student would. Ready? Have your pencil in your hand, ready to write. All through time, on our planet. Ooh, put a comma here. So when I have a setting, what do I put after my setting? After my when and where? A comma. So let's go back and read it again. All through time, on our planet, the land changes slowly and rapidly. I'm finished. What do I put?
Period.
Put your period on your page. Okay. Wind. So let's write wind. And what do I need to do with the W? Capital. Make sure it's a capital W. Ooh, I'm giving you a list here. Wind, rain, and ice. What do you need in a list? Commas. Wind, rain, and ice cause slow changes. Let's put slow there with, and then what do I need at the end? Period. So how many commas should there be? 2. The wind, rain, and ice cause slow changes. Let's do the next one. Tornadoes. Now, I could start with tornadoes, but let me ask you something. Everyone think about this. Are these 2 boxes talking about the same type of changes or different changes?
Different changes.
So let's start this sentence with the word means that this is different. Everyone write however, and put a comma. So what would however mean in this sentence? That it's the same as slow changes or that these are different?
Different.
However, what do we have? Tornadoes, volcanoes, and earthquakes cause. So what is this again?
Rapidly changes.
What if I have a list here? What do I need? Commas. Let's put it after tornado, volcanoes. Do I put a comma after earth? No, you don't put a comma after the last one. Ready? Everyone ready? Go. However,
Tornadoes, volcanoes, and
earth cause.
fast, quick changes.
Let's count how many periods we have so far. Ready, guys? 1,
2, 3.
Okay, let's go now to the conclusion. Are you ready?
Earth.
Sure, that's a capital. Why is that capitalized? Because Earth is the name of our planet, and it's also where in the sentence? At the end or in the beginning? The beginning. Okay, do it again. Ready? Earth's surface is always. What do I put at the end?
Period.
Oh, look how you have that in your hand, and you're drawing that period right at the end. I love it. Okay, pencils down. Stand up. We're going to do the punctuation talk. Are you ready? Okay, let's say it again. Ready? Start with all. When I have a capital, we're going to go like this. Ready? Go. All through time on the planet Earth. Now I have a comma, so what do? Oh, the land changes slowly and rapidly. And then, period. Okay, let's do it again. Are we ready, everyone? Go. All through time on the planet Earth, the land changes slowly and rapidly. Okay, go. Wind, rain, and ice make slow changes. The next one. However, tornadoes, volcanoes, and whoops, and earthquakes. Do I put a comma after earthquakes? Everyone look at me and say, Mrs. Fetzer. Sorry, I messed up. Cause fast changes. Okay, ready? Go. Earth's surface. Go. Earth's surface is always. Okay, now see if you can say say the whole thing to your buddies. Ready, set, go. At your table, turn to the people at your table, go.
All through time on planet Earth, land changes slowly and rapidly.
All right, sit down at your table. Put your organizer, what hand do you write with? Pick up your pencil really quickly. Yeah, this one that you're going to write with. That's your hand that you write with. So your line paper goes on the side of your body that you write with, and then your organizer goes on this side. Should you, when you're writing, so go ahead and do that really quickly. Pick up your pencil, make sure that your writing paper is on the side. That don't write yet though, no writing yet. No writing yet, I know. People already want to start, I know that. Get ready, make sure that you have your writing pencil in your hand and your papers on the side that you're going to write with. And then we're just going to pull up this. Ready? All right, here we go. And where's your paper? What hand do you write with? Okay, so we're going to just do this. Here you go. Okay, make sure your pencil's in your hand. Grab your pencil. You got it. It's on the right side. So we're going to put that right there. You got it. Okay, my friends. Here we go. Ready? When we write, we're not going to write yet. Put your hands in the air just like this. Say, I have to be able to say it in order to write it. I have to say it in order to write it. And when you go to write, should you be quiet when you write? Say never. Never. The talking should start. Now watch me. Everyone watch me as I write. Okay? So I'm going to do this. I'm touching my paper. Good writers always touch their paper. See how you're sitting up right here? Watch this. All through time, on earth, the land changes slowly and rapidly. Then I go to my paper. Ooh, look how everybody's looking up here. I love it. All through time. Oh, now I'm going to stop talking in my head. I'm not going to talk anymore. Did I get all the words down? No. Uh-oh. Why? Because did I keep talking or did I stop the talking? Stop talking. You have to keep saying it and write it, or you'll miss the words. So, should you not touch your organizer and say it, or should you be touching and saying? I'm going to watch everybody touch their organizer and read the whole thing. If I think that you can do it, then I'll say start writing. Ready? Go, quickly. Oh, start writing. Go. Ooh, look how people are already writing it down.
What do I do when I get to a word I can't spell?
When you can't spell a word, we're all going to look at our friend over here and say, high school student.
High school student.
If you don't know how to spell a word, what do good writers do? Do they stop? Everyone say never.
Never.
What you do is this. Say the word slowly. Write it down. If it doesn't look right, circle it and keep writing. What do? Circle it and keep writing. Ooh, look how people are doing that. Keep talking. I want to hear you talking. Should I hear you talking as you're writing? You bet. I love it. See how the pencil's in your hand? Can you sit down? See how you're doing it? Put the pencil in your hand. And you know what? Say it really quick.
What is that? Okay, well, remember she said sound it out. Just you said that. If it doesn't look right, what do you do? Don't even say what is it. What do you do?
What do you do? You don't
Circle it and keep going. All through time.
say through.
All through time. Keep going. Keep touching your
Don't stop. Keep talking as you write.
Oh, I hear you guys singing it over here. Good job. Ooh, I'd like to read it again. It's on that one.
What happened?
You won't say it really fast.
Keep talking. I want to keep hearing you.
What do you do if you don't know?
Really fast.
Ooh, that's
Say it, and then if it doesn't look right, what do you do?